If you encounter restricted water flow, there may be air bubbles present in the water passageway. First, make sure your water tank is full and that there is no capsule in the machine chamber. Place a cup on the drip tray, then press and hold the back button to trigger the machine to purge water. Water flow is no longer restricted if you see water coming out from coffee spout. If you still face difficulties with the water flow, turn the dial to manual brew and press the confirm button twice to enter coffee pod mode. Set the pressure to P7, the highest setting, then press confirm. Water flow is no longer restricted if you see water coming out from coffee spout. However, if you still face flow restrictions, repeat the purge and manual brew cycles several more times.